Today we will look at spices which are common yet the healthiest ingredient in Indian kitchen. Stick till the end of this video to know what are those spices and why to add them. So let's get started. Indian recipes are filled with spices. These spices help to stay healthy, lose weight and also maintain weight. Although it helps you indirectly. But why? The answer is simple. It can make boring recipe delicious. Eating healthy food is not boring. It's just you haven't used right combination of spices. You won't quit healthy food if you get enough flavor. Turmeric has been used in curries to improve color, while it's also used for cough, cold to improve immunity and also for skincare. In few years, turmeric started to trend worldwide. So what made a simple spice a worldwide trend? More than 6,000 plus studies claimed that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices and it contains a wide range of healthy compounds. The first compound in focus is curcumin. It's in focus because of its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and healing property. It also contains phytosterol, which provide turmeric antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and sedative property. Human studies have found to reduce the risk of stomach, breast, lung and ovarian cancer. Studies also show that Alzheimer and cancer rate in India are 10 to 20% less than that of America. Although turmeric isn't only the reason, but it gives huge advantage. And one final tip, you don't need turmeric extract, just go for turmeric powder. Let's get started with the next spice. It is also known to improve turmeric benefit. Black pepper is another spice which is worth mentioning. It has its own set of benefits and can increase the benefit you get from turmeric. It's due to its piperine content. Piperine increases the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. Piperine also protects from free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for inflammation, premature aging, heart disease, and many types of cancer. So looking at other benefit of black pepper. Animal studies have found that black pepper extract has improved symptoms of degenerative brain disease like Alzheimer and Parkinson. It also improves insulin sensitivity. That means it improves blood sugar metabolism. It can also lower cholesterol level. It can also lower cancer risk by balancing free radicals and inflammation. Also boosts absorption of calcium and selenium. Can increase good bacteria in the gut. It is also a natural pain reliever. In Indian kitchen, it's a good medicine for cough, cold and flu. And the most important, black pepper's piperine content increase the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. And in Indian kitchen, both spices are used in combination. And for a pro tip, fatty meal, chili pepper, coconut, ginger can also increase absorption of curcumin. For a long time, ginger has been used in cooking and also as alternate medicine. Both dry and fresh ginger are beneficial. Gingerol is the main ingredient that provides it anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. So looking at its benefit, it's good for morning sickness, can reduce muscle pain and soreness due to its anti-inflammatory property. It's good for muscle pain due to exercise. Found to reduce pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis patients when applied externally. Shown to lower blood sugar level and improve various heart disease risk factor in patients with type 2 diabetes. Beneficial for people with indigestion and other stomach discomfort. Human and animal studies show that ginger can reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride level. Gingerol may have protective effect against cancer. Most studies are required to know its effectivity. It also improves brain health and protect against Alzheimer disease. Can inhibit growth of many types of bacteria. Also protect against respiratory infection. The next spice in the list is garlic. It gives good flavor to meal and it's even prescribed for many medical conditions. So looking at the benefit of garlic, it boosts immune system. 2.56 gram per day can reduce cold and flu by 61%. It's found to lower blood pressure, reduce risk of common brain disease like Alzheimer's disease and dementia, helps to detoxify heavy metals like lead from the body, have beneficial effect on bone in women. So let's look at the next one. Actually, I won't be considering one or two spices because Indian kitchen are filled with many spices. There are a lot more and each hold a set of phytonutrients which provide them unique flavor and benefit. No matter what phytonutrient they contain, they all are efficient in protecting from free radical damage. And it also protects from uncontrolled inflammation. The main benefit of spices are they promote digestion and reduce risk of gastrointestinal disease, lowers LDL cholesterol. Most of these spices have antifungal, antibacterial, antimicrobial property that protect from numerous infections. They are anti-inflammatory and antiseptic in nature, protects from cold, flu, fever, and also relieves sore throat. If you are Indian, then you should be eager to add variety of these spices and it depends on what you are cooking. While if you aren't aware of Indian cuisine, you can try different Indian recipes. You don't need to add each and every spices, just start with few recipes. If you are experimenting, you can also add herbs like basil, coriander, also known as cilantro, peppermint, curry leaves. So by far you got to know the healthiest ingredient in Indian kitchen. Many Western countries people complain that Indian recipes are hot and spicy, but it all depends on taste preference. In India, some prefer hot and spicy, some prefer mild. We customize our meal depending on our taste preference. We look for taste, but adding these spices give antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal property to meal. These spices even make vegetarian meal a treat. Boring food is a myth with a proper combination of these spices. You don't need huge quantity of oil, butter, sugar or salt which is not good for health. And if you enjoy a healthy meal, there is higher chance that you will follow it for lifetime. And it's the end goal of healthy lifestyle. You enjoy your meal while your body enjoy nutrients. Leave your favorite recipes and spices name in the comment box. Do share this video if you have learned anything new. Do give thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe so that you don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, take care.